and happy Friday. I'm Ashira.
And I'm Hannah. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Let's dive into this week's announcements. For Scots, it's Teachers Appreciation Week.
Let's take a moment to thank all the amazing teachers here at Highland for their dedication and hard work.
Be sure to show your appreciation and don't forget to say thank you to your teachers today. Up next, seniors, if you're planning to decorate your cap, you need to make sure you get cleared by the Dean's office.
Just email a photo to Ms. Verde by May 21st and don't forget to include your name and UID number.
Remember, no request will be accepted after May 21st, so don't wait until the last minute. Third, Scots, want to be a part of our award-winning color guard or drumline?
Workshops and auditions are happening May 12th through May 14th from 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. in the band room.
No experience? No problem. Just wear all black, be ready to move, and don't forget to bring plenty of water.
And now it's time for a quick commercial break.
Check out this video.
Peter Pan Jr. takes the stage next week on Friday and Saturday at 7 p.m. in the Wall. Don't miss this magical production. All proceeds will support the Highlands Band upcoming trip to Hawaii. Come out and support these programs.
Welcome back, Scots. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Gracie. Let's get back into the school announcements.
We're diving into some big news today. Congratulations to the Highland Boys swim team for making waves at Valley League Swimming Championship this past Friday.
That's right. The Scots dominated the competition, taking down powerhouse teams like Bakersfield Christian, BHS, Ridgeview, and Independence in a thrilling victory.
Major props to freshmen Christopher Lopez and junior Elijah. These two stepped up to varsity and made a huge impact when it counted most. Plus, Nick Gonzalez and Zane Rock had some big wins as well.
A huge shout out to the entire team. Your dedication, training, and team spirit truly pays off. Way to go. Way to bring it home. Go Scots.
Huge congratulations to our Lady Scots for a dominant win over the Wolfpack on senior night.
That's right. The final score 13-0, an absolute shutout and a statement victory.
And get this, number 30 Lauren Montez threw a perfect game. What an incredible performance under the lights.
Way to go, Lady Scots. Let's keep the momentum rolling. Proud of you all.
Now let's go get a special segment.
Take it away, Soleil.
Who am I here with today? Bo.
And Audrey.
And who are you guys' favorite teachers?
Honestly, I would say Mrs. Thomas. She's a great teacher. She's very passionate about what she teaches, and I really appreciate that about her.
My favorite teacher is Miss Savage. She is the most amazing woman and human being and mother and teacher I've ever met in my life. I love you, Miss Savage.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Soleil, what's your name?
Soleil.
Okay, my favorite teachers, I don't know, but I have a top 5 list. It's not in any order. It's Miss Davis, Mr. Marquez, Mr. McGrath, Miss Moore, and Miss Barrick. What are your top 5?
Miss Silva, Miss Gomez, Mr. Parra is number 1. And then Mr. McGrath and 5th place, I don't know.
Oh yeah, I'm Miss Gomez. Sorry, Miss Gomez. I love you. Well, on to the next.
Diego.
And who's your favorite teacher?
Mr. Varela.
Why is that?
He's cool and a nice person.
Thank you. Who am I here with?
Joe Padilla.
And who's your favorite teacher?
Aaron.
And who?
Aaron Whitfield.
Why is that?
He's a pretty cool teacher, so I'll know.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm here with today?
Jonah Rodriguez, the one and only.
And who's your favorite teacher?
Mr. Ware.
Why is that?
He's nice, tall, funny, and he doesn't give a lot of homework. And he has a great beard.
Thank you. Who am I here with today?
I'm Chloe.
And who's your favorite teacher?
Mr. Romero.
Why is that?
Because he just I don't know, he's just cool.
Thank you. Who am I here with today?
We're here with James.
And who is your favorite teacher?
Miss Giamona.
Why is that?
Because she's very cool and she's a goat.
Thank you. Who am I here with today?
Morgan.
And who is your favorite teacher?
Mr. Fell.
Why is that?
He's absolutely amazing and he's the best sub ever and you should always say at Highland.
I agree. Who am I here with today?
Nicholas Lewis.
And who's your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Miss Winus.
Why is that?
Because I always thought her class was always chill and I didn't feel like I had no pressure in that class and it was always fun. And our final was something about music and I always liked that. And so yeah, that's why she was my favorite teacher.
Thank you.
All right, Scots, listen up.
The current high school district is conducting a student cell phone survey and wants to hear from you.
This survey is important for all grade levels. Make sure to scan the QR code on the screen and share your thoughts about cell phone use in schools.
Teachers, please give your students a few minutes today to complete the survey in class. Your feedback matters, Scots.
Just a reminder, Scots, the next 2 Fridays are 2-hour early outs, so plan ahead.
And remember, the school year is almost over, but we are not done yet. Stay focused, show up on time, and finish strong.
Pro tip, avoid unnecessary trips to the dean's office, use the restroom responsibly, and keep your head in the game. Your education matters. Plaid up.